If you have a question about Office 365, need training, or just want to speak to an expert, we're here to help. Here are a few options. Support.office.com is the best place to start for free online help and training. Here, you'll find help on Office 365 apps, training, and quick start guides to get you up and running on the apps quickly. Another option is to ask the community of Office 365 experts. Here you can search for answers, ask a question, or start a discussion. Need to contact us directly? You also have the option to speak with one of our experts. Enter your question, and then select your preference. Let us help you find what you need. Go to support.office.com and choose the option that's right for you.